This is a 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom house with a 3-car garage. Today we are in the community Citrus Trails in Loma Linda, California. We are viewing the Residence 3 model home of the Valencia floor plan by Lennar Homes. It is a 2-story home with optional builder upgrades. It measures approximately 3,423 square feet, and it has an open floor plan. Right away, you'll notice the attention to detail Lennar Homes has implemented throughout this beautifully designed home. This spacious living room, also known as the Great Room, has an elegant fireplace, recessed lighting, and large windows with views to the backyard. The kitchen nook is nestled between the Great Room and the kitchen, and there's a door to the backyard. The backyard is spacious and perfect for entertaining guests for barbecues and get-togethers. It would be a nice spot to garden or just to sit, relax, and enjoy our beautiful Southern California weather. The modern kitchen is featured with recessed and pendant lighting as well as stainless steel appliances such as stove, dishwasher, double oven, and a microwave. It also features a large single basin sink and a center island with a breakfast bar, which is perfect when you just want a quick bite to eat. It also has beautiful countertops, stunning backsplash, and white cabinets. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe and click the bell to be notified so you don't miss a thing. The walk-in pantry has lots of shelving and makes a great addition to the kitchen. If you're enjoying the video so far, please give it a like. It helps our channel and we really appreciate it. You'll find the first bedroom downstairs with a closet and a window. If you're interested in searching for new homes like this, I'll display a link in the description below. The downstairs guest bathroom has a sink, a toilet, and a shower. There is also a closet which can be used for storage as well. The dining room has recessed lighting and they displayed it with a gorgeous chandelier. There is also direct access to the 3-car garage. You will find a downstairs office with a window and views of the front yard. Now let's view the upstairs. Upstairs you will find the loft, which could be used as a family room, game room, or a second office. The second bedroom is bright and airy, with lots of windows to bring the light in, and it also features a closet. The master bedroom suite is beautiful. It has a large window and would be a tranquil area to unwind at the end of the day. The master ensuite bathroom has cabinets, dual sinks, and a vanity area. The master bedroom walk-in closet is rather large and has storage shelves, single and double pulls with plenty of room for both summer and winter clothes. There is also a separate shower with glass doors. The bathtub is luxurious. Just take a moment and imagine how nice it would be filled with bubbles and surrounded by candlelight. You will also find a private water closet. What's your favorite room or feature in this house so far? Please leave it in the comments below. The fourth bedroom has a couple of windows and a walk-in closet. This home also includes heating, air conditioning with a programmable thermostat. The fifth bedroom has a window and a closet as well. You will find the laundry room to be quite large. It is featured with cabinets, linen storage, and washer-dryer hookups. The guest bathroom has cabinets, dual sinks, and a private water closet with toilet and shower in the bathtub. This home also includes green features, such as water-conserving plumbing fixtures, LED lighting, dual glazed vinyl windows with energy-efficient Louis glass, and a tankless water heater. This home truly is an entertainer's delight. Please feel free to share this video with a friend who enjoys luxury homes. If you're thinking of selling your home or purchasing one, either new or existing, please give me a call. Susie Valentine, 951-907-4020. And if you enjoyed this video, you'll probably like these two as well. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.